The Create Outline Shape is the third icon in your drawing tools. This icon is curve-based by default. You can draw curved lines easily with this tool. Just click, move the mouse, click, and then as you're moving the mouse again, you can form the curved line. This is done by clicking, releasing the mouse, and moving to a new position. If you click and drag, control handles will show, and you can create the curve that you want, much like you can with the Bezier tool. To draw a straight line, you have two options. The first method will create a sharper point. I can hold the Shift key down and click, and you can see that I now have a square instead of a circle. We'll talk about these in a later video, but this will let you make a nice straight point. Again, the Shift key will create the straight line. Another way to create a straight line is to click and hesitate at the second click. This also will form a point. So it's a click and a hesitate. The backspace key can be used with this tool as well to erase one click at a time. Right-click to end the line, and you can press the space bar to select the line. You can also create an enclosed object using this tool. At each point, you can hold the Shift key down to create the click, then move your mouse to create the curved line, hold the Shift key down to create the point, create your curves, hold the Shift key down to create your point. Remember, you can also click and hesitate to create a point as well. After clicking around the backdrop, remember to click on the first point and the shape will be enclosed. When I press the space bar, it will select the design, and once again you will see that a painted fill was created with a stitched outline around the painted fill.